Show me.
It's Lucas's first time eating real food. Let's see if he can do it. It's your first bite, buddy.
Do you like it? No.
It's not mom's milk.
It is my milk.
It
With
is?
rice cereal.
Oh. Mom's milk with some rice cereal.
What do you think?
Yum, 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 yum.
Want some more?
He's doing good.
Yummy. What do you think? You're not too sure about this? Is that yummy? Is that yummy?
Eat, eat, eat. You're doing good.